Okay, let's take a look at finding the mean of this frequency distribution. Now, it's just being approximate because we don't know the original data. For like this first class, 1 through 10, we know there's 25 in there somewhere, but we don't know how many 1-year-olds there are. We don't know how many 10-year-olds there are. 25 of them might be 1-year-olds. So this is just an approximation. Let's look at our formula. To find the mean, looks like we have our f as our frequency, and x is our class midpoint. So I'm going to do x here, and that's going to be our midpoint. Now the book it adds the lower class of the current line plus the lower class of the next one, divide by 2. Now notice I put parentheses around them. I did equals, beginning parentheses, 1 plus 11, close parentheses, divide by 2. And then I'm going to do equals, and then beginning parentheses, 11 plus 21, close parentheses, divide by 2. Now see how this goes by tens? So my next ones will be 26. Next ones will be 36. And our frequency was corresponding to f. So let me change that so it matches that. Okay, what's our formula say here? F times x. So we're going to take f times x. So equals, and then I'm going to type in b2, because that's our frequency, the f, times c2, because that's our x. And then press enter. And then I'm gonna click this first cell again and grab this lower right hand corner and fill down and fill in all the rest of those. And that's that. Now this little E looking thing in front of this is uppercase sigma. That means now add those together. So I'm gonna go back to my home tab. Now click the little E looking symbol for auto sum, and then I'll click the little check mark here for enter, or you can actually press enter. And that's going to be the number that goes on top. Now the bottom number is adding together all the frequencies. So I come over here to frequencies, I click this cell right below it, and again I'll click this auto sum and click the check mark. So our mean is equal to, and I'm going to put equals over here, D6 divided by B6. So dividing those like that. And that'll give us our mean. And you can adjust this if you want with, how many decimal places using this. Add more, take some away, whatever. Anyway, that's how you find your mean.